Hello, to set up Gemini AI on your Moto G86 5G, first of all, you have to make sure that you have open Google Play Store, go to the search and take a look if you've got the latest version of Google application on your phone. So input Google phrase and make sure that you are updated to the latest version with this application. And also we can do the same with Gemini application. So input that phrase, Gemini, go for it. And here also make sure that you have updated Gemini to the latest version. And now, when the update is finished, you will have to open the Google application as a first. So it's just over here. Okay, so now when you are here, just go to the right upper corner and go to the settings. Over here, we have to go for Gemini. And as you can see here, we can find a lot of things. First of all, we can change Gemini's voice. Now you have to just click select. Over here, you can also change Gemini language. That's the default one of your phone, but you can also add additional if you want by clicking here. And below we can find Hey Google and the voice match. So we can use Hey Google like with Google Assistant. We have to click on this switcher. Now we have to scroll down, click I agree, scroll down, click I agree. And if you are using this account for the first time, you will get a circle with some phrases shown over here. You will have to repeat them, and then you will get this marker that Hey Google is ready. If you already use this account with different Google accounts, you will get information like in my case. Now, as you can see, it's turned on. You can also turn it on for other devices. So if you are connected to the internet and connected to the same Google account, you can just use it. Additionally, you can also use Gemini on the lock screen. You can even make calls and send messages without unlocking, which is pretty useful. And over here, if something is not working properly, make sure that you have switched from Google Assistant to the Gemini. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can additionally turn on Google Assistant features in the Gemini. And yeah, and that's how you can set up this function. Now we can say, Hey Google, or OK Google, it depends what you have set up. And now as you can see, it's listening to us. This green icon over here means that our microphone is activated, and we can just use Gemini. So yeah, you can also click here to open Gemini straight, go to the chat and search for something.